Hi friends, today's topic in encapsulation in Java. Encapsulation in Java is a powerful machine for storing the data members and data methods of a class together. It is done in the form of a secure field assembly by only the members of the same class. Encapsulation in Java is the process by which data variables and code that acts upon them methods but interacted as a single unit. By encapsulation a class variables other classes cannot access them and only the methods of the class of assembly them. Encapsulation in Java is a process of wrapping code and data together into a single unit. From example encapsulations mixed to server machines. We can create fully encapsulated class in Java by making all the data members of class private. Now the Java burn class is the example of a fully encapsulated class. Advantages of encapsulations in class in Java: by providing only a setter and getter methods, you can make class ready only write only words. You can speak a getters methods. So it provides you control over detail. Supports you want word which greater 100 only. It is a way to achieve data handling is Java because other class will not be able to access the data through the private data members. The encapsulate class is easy to show it better to unit testing. The standard AIDs are providing the facilities to generate the getter and setters. So easy, fast create the encapsulator in class need to encapsulation in Java. Encapsulations improves the provides called provides stable flow, better control. Encapsulation provides unlimited controls over the data members and data methods inside a class. Getter and setters. The standard AI it is provide the build of getter and setters methods which increase the programming pace. Uh, Flexibility. A change made to one part of the code can be successfully implemented without acting any other part of the code. A data handling in Java. A data handling in Java provides done the avoid access of the data members and data methods and their logic implementation. Data handling can be using for process of the which as a default. Default is the first line of data handling is an class in Java is not mentioned with an access specifier. Then a compiler will set default as the access specifier. The class specification default exclusively of the public classes specifier. Thank you friends.